This is the Wego Todo
This is the 11th bout, everyone. Main event, the Wego Todo.
presented by UGB Corporation. Wego Todo. When the action begins, our referee in charge, Giovanni.
Third minute
Bacchus.
cage, Giovanni Bacchus.
And everybody say with all the hundreds of thousands and millions of fans all over Theodore Events Place, all over Marikina City.
So special
all
thanks
over
again
Metro
to
Manila, all over Luzon, Visayas,
US
and
Navy,
Mindanao.
Theodore's
You know
Events
what time
Place,
it is.
for amazing
Everybody
venue,
say, "My
Velvet
God."
Media,
We say,
for the
"Patay na,"
photography,
in 3,
video, and
2,
all of the
1.
media. Sinner Greens International, provider of our championship belt.
Fighting on the blue corner. This man is a
Here we
Wego
have
practitioner and a
the blue
fighter.
corner.
He's at 5
Monson
inches
Cadalso.
tall, weighing in at 135 pounds. Out of Malalat City, by way of Hidden Blade Mixed Martial Arts, Monson!
So GM Monson is very eager to get this win for tonight. So as Marwin Landong
Introducing his opponent,
wanted to
fighting on the
secure
red corner. This man
his
is a
win
Wego practitioner
from the previous
and a
fight that they
fighter.
had.
He's at 5
He wanted to win
inches
still because he thinks that he really the true winner of this Wego Todo bout. See how it goes. So Wego Todo bantamweight bout. Landong, 25 years old, 33 years old for Monson. So Marwin Landong Gasubano versus Monson Cadalso alias Boyka. So we have here Tricia for Ronger. So this is gonna be 3 minutes, 3 rounds for this event. For this bout, rather. So John, this is the first round for our main event of Wego Todo.
Okay, here's our main event of Wego Todo. Monson Cadalso against Marwin
Marwin
Landong,
Landong.
which is their rematch.
Let's go, Latayad
Kaya
na!
now it seems gonna happen on their rematch. It's gonna be so interesting with 3 minutes.
Oh, good exchange.
rounds.
Body.
Wego Todo.
Whoa, a
Early
kick.
exchanges here from Landong.
Another kick
Very
by
aggressive
Landong.
here, Landong.
Look at how aggressive Landong is. Oh! Up stop. Look at that. The stick
Both
goes
gentlemen
out.
get so very excited and aggressive.
The stick goes out from the cage, everyone. So, how did he get that from outside the cage? But just kidding aside. What an exciting fight. So again, this is the main event of the Wego Todo. Todo na
That
to.
was very
Whoa.
electrifying
Oh,
start
wow.
of these two gentlemen.
Good strike in the body.
Marwin Landong
Back.
spins as well.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, good
And
takedown
Landong
by
kills Cadalso
Lando.
to the ground.
Okay, stand up. Look at Landong, how
And referee
aggressive.
doesn't- And that takedown doesn't count
A kick.
according to the referee.
Oy! A
There's
nice
an also
take.
Tagari attempt. There's an also Tagari attempt from Landong or from Monson, but Landong gets on top.
So we still have 2 minutes and 10 seconds for this round. So imagine that's just 1 minute or almost 1 minute to
Good
go.
spin
But-
from Landong.
Oh,
Monson
good, good, good.
answered back.
Oh, another latay again. Another. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, oh. They don't know which
There's a
one.
little game. There's a little game of pick up sticks.
They don't know which thing are into it.
And the crowd goes
Oh,
wild.
look at that. It's just a... No,
There's
it's
a
just
hit
a,
on the leg from Landong.
Whoa. Whoa, Whoa.
There's a flurries and series of hits from
You
Landong
can-
with those sticks.
You can see the hit of Landong is very clearly. And there's so many kicks
Also
from
with the kick.
Cadalso. Whoa,
Good
another
kick
kick.
from Marvin Landong.
Look at how, oh,
There's a knee from
flying
Marvin
knee to the
from-
body.
There's a knee from Monsod Cadalso. And they got separated
gonna
from
be
the
a
referee.
Gonna be a stop again and reset. So let's see. So we still have 1 minute and 26 seconds. Imagine that. We still have the half of
That
the
was-
round. But
Yes.
there's so many there's so many things that happen the
Yes,
early.
and that was a very electrifying
Yeah.
start here, and the crowd goes wild, and they love what
Everyone,
they see.
again, this is
Going
Fuego
all out.
Todo.
There was a good counter from Landong after Monsod Cadalso through the back kick. There's a good reversal from
There's
Marvin
another
Landong.
reversal from Landong. Look at that, everybody.
There's a good reversal of also Togari from Landong. Good one.
Let's see. Another 1 minute. So, everyone.
Good
Whoa.
exchange there. Whack! You can hear it from here.
Look at, a flying knees to the body by GM
Landong
Manson.
very aggressive here.
Is trying to do a takedown. Up. I think they're gas out already. Up. Applause to these fighters. Look at their,
This bone gentleman wants to finish the fight as early
Yeah.
as they can.
that's how Mandirigma is, a fighter is. A clean shot to the head by Monson. A good strike. Whoa, another knees to the body.
Monsod trying.
Oh,
And there's a good reversal from
another
Landong.
reversal, everybody. He knows how to do it. So it's keep on trying to take down, but Landong is very, smart to do the reversal. Let's see how it ends in the first round. Again, we still have 20 seconds remaining. Whoa,
There's a
good
kick attempt from Monsod Cadalso.
a kick.
There's a
Oh,
good knee from
knee
Landong.
by Landong.
Lands clean.
Oh, what happened? Are you good, guys?
Someone pulled Landong's gloves.
Okay.
Fight.
10 seconds remaining, everyone. It's just the first round.
We got 5 seconds on the clock. Let's see what's gonna happen
Whoa.
here. There's one hard hit from Landong.
Nice. Oh.
That's the end of
You know
round
what,
here for the
John?
first round of Fuego Todo main event, and the crowd goes wild on what they see.
You know
They
what?
love it.
You know what, John? What
They go
Monson?
all out on the first round.
You know what?
And let's see what's gonna happen as they settle the score using one stick
Look at that.
on the second round.
Whoa. A good flying knees to the body. You know what, John? Monson mentioned in the interview that he really wanted to have this fight in the third round because they're really into MMA. So let's see if it's gonna, end it to decision or what. But Monson really wanted to have this fight on the third round. So let's see.
Talking about finishing the first round, let's present our round girl here to open our second round of Fuego Todo with Julie.
Juve.
Yes, Julie Valles, our round girl. She opened up the second round of Fuego Todo main event here in Theodore Events Place at Marikina City.
Once again, we're heading to the second round of this main event of Fuego Todo. So a
Now
single
they're going to
baston.
settle the score on single stick or one baston only on the second round. Because Marvin Landong and Monsod Cadalso just finished their fight on the very first. So on this rematch, now at last they already reached the second round, which they're going to be using a one stick only.
So let's see how
Fighter
this...
is ready. Was.
There you go. Wasakan na.
Latayan
Latayan na, rather.
rather.
Whoa. A good and a clean shot to the body
That's a good
and to
shot
the head.
from Malindong.
Whoa. Okay. So, just a reminder. Okay. Whoa, you back kick attempt.
There's
Whoa,
a good series
a
from
flying knee
Landong.
again.
And
Oh,
there's a
another
takedown
takedown.
from Marvin Landong.
That's I think the fourth time that he take down his opponent. Whoa.
There's his jumping side kick from
Oh, another takedown.
For a strip.
Okay.
Fight,
Fight, everybody.
fight.
Second round. Let's go. Latayan na.
There's a good kick.
Look at how Landong
There's a
aggressively.
good
Oh,
counter.
another takedown. Oh, but yeah, there you
Landong
go.
for a takedown here.
Another takedown. Look at how aggressive Landong wants to get the win, but let's see. So fight.
Fight.
Oh,
There's a kick from Monson.
Oy, another takedown.
Took him
Another
down to the
takedown,
ground.
everybody.
And they got separated by the referee.
Look at how Marvin Landong takes over this second round. If you can, if you're here in the... Oh, nice shot to the body. Oh,
There's a
a
hard
kick.
hit
Oh, another
from both
takedown.
gentlemen.
Not a successful takedown.
What's
Whoa,
up,
whoa,
guys?
oh, another takedown.
Landong tries.
Landong is very aggressive
Yes.
in the second round.
Yes, Landong is very aggressive here in the second round.
So
as
we
well
still
as
have 1 minute and
first.
35 seconds, everybody. It's just
Watch
half
out
of the
for
round.
those hits. Couple of strikes.
Look at the stick of Landong. It's bended out already. Whoa,
There's a
good
leg
kick.
From
Oh.
Son. Landong trying to take him down.
Is it a takedown again? Is it a takedown again? Oy, another takedown, everybody! That's the 7th time already. That's the 7th time. Look at those Mandirigma. A round of applause to this one. To these two fighters.
Looks like they're both gassed out now. Let's see who's gonna last at the third. Still have 50
Hey.
seconds left on the clock here at the second.
Hit,
Monson missed
but
that one.
but missed out.
Landong sticking something here. There's a good hit from Landong.
They're doing the timing, everyone. I see a blood. Wait, I see a blood in the blue corner's elbow. Oh, another takedown, everyone, by Landong. We still have 20 seconds remaining, everyone. Oh, another hit.
10 seconds left here in the first. Or in the second, rather. Time. And the second round of Fuego Todo. And we're going to go to the third round, which they're going to fight with no sticks.
This is what the blue corner really wanted to happen. This is the most awaited one, the MMA fight. But they both gas out already. There's a clean takedown by Marvin Landong there at the second round. Another takedown. Third round. Round girl, Andy.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the third and final round. That was brought to us by Andy.
Everyone, third round. MMA. So third round. Let's see what will happen in this third round.
And this is the third round of Fuego Todo, which is no sticks, just punches and kicks and a little grappling.
Let's see if their wrestle is still active in this third round.
And they touch
gloves.
gloves. Both gentlemen
Oy.
are southpaw.
Oi! That's awesome! Banana
As he took
takedown!
down the Grandmaster.
Oh, it's an
Monsoto
arm
Dalso.
triangle. It's
Landon
an arm
looking for an
triangle.
choke here.
Is it
Landon
gonna be
finished
a
Monsoto
choke?
Dalso.
Is it
Landon
gonna
finished
be
the
a choke?
Grandmaster.
Will he
Will
beat
he
the
get the choke?
Grandmaster?
Will the Grandmaster tap?
A good pressure by Landong. Let's see if it goes out. But the blue corner is still fighting.
Landon must position here.
He should secure the position before
He must secure
doing that.
the position before
Oh, he
getting
was
the
able to
submission.
escape. Good escape by Grandmaster Monson.
Good escape there from Monsoto Dalso.
Again, this is the main event of the Fuego Todo.
Monsoto Dalso has one leg.
Is
on
it a
the bottom
Kimura?
round. Now full guard.
Oh. Okay. So he's trying to posture up. He's trying to posture up, but
Good control there by Landong.
he's trying to have a damage on Monson's body. So he's trying to secure. He's trying to secure the position.
You know, if you keep on grabbing like that your opponent,
Mm-hmm.
it will make your arm very tired. And it
You
will
think?
lose strength later, eventually.
Yeah, that's a cable grip. If you're really not into, grappling, you're really good.
There's a right hand!
That's a right
Just
hand.
smashed Monsoto Dalso's face. That's a hard right hand to slam.
What do you think will happen, Jan? Is it a scorecard or a submission? What's your prediction here?
My prediction here, Landong is more of a brawler. So I say Landong's gotta get the finish by a ground and pound. You know, Landong is a striker.
Yeah, he is. He used to be a striker.
He's a very brute force
Good striker.
Tremendous
Landong
stamina
is
there
looking
from
at his
Landong.
corner.
Monsoto Dalso must do something here.
He should escape from the pressure of
Monsoto
the...
Dalso has his butterfly hooks in. He put it back on full guard. Good control there from Landong.
So Landong is just securing this round. So we have 19 seconds left, everyone. Wow, good damage. Damage to the face, damage to the body. Is he talking to
10 seconds remaining here in
10
the third.
seconds remaining.
Will Landong get the
5
finish?
seconds. Oh! 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. What a
And
fight!
tie.
What a fight, everyone! This is the Fuego Todo main event of the evening. Ladies
That's
and
an
gents,
electrifying fight here on the last round of Fuego Todo main event.
so Jan, I think you have to stand up and interview the winner. But I think we're gonna go to the
Well,
score cup. Take it away, bro.
We're going to be going to the judges' scorecards here on Fuego Todo main event.
Look at those punches in the face. 1, 2. Good posture by Marvin Landong. He's trying to grab, trying to reverse. However, Landong is giving heavy punches in his face. Who do you think will win in this card? In this bout, rather. Is it gonna be Marwin Dasubano or Monson the Boyka? Let's go to the judges scorecard. Look at Landong. He has a lot of friends, family, supporters in this area. Look at how JM really fight until the 3 rounds ends. Salute to this fighter. Let's give them a round of applause, everyone. A very good heart. Both of these fighters very, has a good heart, dedication, motivation, wanted to really win the Luego Todo main bout. Let's see what's the judges scorecard and the decision. Look at how Marwin Landong finished the fight. And Grandmaster Monson. They both cast out, but look at how Marwin Landong just keep on posture. These fighters, salute to these Luego Todo fighters. Tunay na mandirigma. It's a unanimous decision. Oh, it's Marwin Landong. Everyone, this is the main event. Luego Todo. So it's unanimous decision given by Sir Mark San Juan.
And the middle is Index MMA's Mark San Juan.
Again, I would like to thank our sponsors, U.S. Navy, Theodore's Events Place, Velvet Media, Cedar Greens International, provider of our championship belt for tonight, Barangay Fortune, Captain Paeng Tupe, Fabrant 9 PH, Stick Arnis, Joker, Greatest Amour, FHB, Tactical, Payantog, and Barangay IVC.